Good morning! Welcome to Pangkat Restaurant. Please come this way, sir. Good morning! Welcome to Pangkat Restaurant. Sir, do you have any reservation?
Yes,
May I know your name, please?
Raven Sulibardo.
Raven Citibardo. Allow me to take first your table reservation. Excuse me. Sir, yes, you do have a table reservation under the name of Mr. Raven. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Sir, your table is ready. Please come this way, sir. Sir, do you prefer this table, sir?
Yes.
Sir, have a seat, sir. Sir, allow me to lay your napkin, sir.
Okay.
By the way, sir, my name is Erwin Isbutot. I am your food servant for today, and it's great pleasure to serve you. And also, sir, do you like to have some water, or sparkling water, or mineral water, or warm water?
Mineral water.
Okay, sir, excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir, there's a mineral water, sir.
Okay.
By the way, sir, your menu I'll get the menu for you, sir. Excuse me for a moment, sir. Excuse me, sir, here's your menu card, sir. And by the way, sir, just call me if you want to take your orders. Okay. Excuse me for a moment, sir. Excuse me, sir, do you want to have some salty bread, sir? Okay, sir. Some. Excuse me for a moment, sir. Excuse me, sir, do you want to take your order, sir?
Yes. The way can I know you order this later?
By the way, sir, our best seller is, for the appetizer, sir, is devil egg. For the soup, is mushroom soup. For the salad, is Caesar salad. And for the main course, is spicy butter chicken. And for the dessert, is banana split, sir.
Can I get your yes, sir?
Okay, sir, no problem, sir. Do you want to list me that, sir?
Yes.
I repeat, sir, your order is 1 evil egg. Your soup, sir, is mushroom soup. Your salad is Caesar salad. And your main course is spicy butter chicken. And for your dessert is banana split. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Sir, by the way, sir, our serving time is 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, sir, have a nice day, sir, and excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir, allow me to put your cat here, sir. Thank you for a moment, sir. Your appetizer will be served next. Excuse me, sir. Here's your devil egg, sir. And by the way, sir, it is combination by mustard, egg yolk, and red pepper, and ginger yolk, sir. Thank you. Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir. Have you finished your appetizer, sir?
Yes.
Shall I clear up this plate, sir? Sir, your soup will be served next. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your mushroom soup, sir. It is combination of cream, mushroom, and pepper, sir. Enjoy your meal, sir. Thank you. Excuse me for a moment. finish your soup, sir? Shall I clear out this plate, sir?
Okay.
By the way, sir, your salad will be served next. Excuse me for a moment, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your Caesar salad, sir. It is made by lettuce, apple, peach, and mustard, sir. And enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir. Have you finished your salad, sir? Shall I clear out this plate, sir? By the way, sir, your main dish will be served next. Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir. Here's your main dish, sir. This is a spicy butter chicken. It's made by fried chicken, sir. And by the way, sir, do you want your main dish to be paired with red wine, sir? Enjoy your meal, sir. And by the way, I will come back to serve your red wine, sir. Excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your Momo Vino di Misa red wine. It is a non-vintage red wine with a 15% alcohol per volume in a bottle of 750 ml in a product of Spain. Shall I open the bottle, sir? Do you have sample, sir? Shall I pour more, sir? Sir, by the way, sir, should I use butter here, sir? Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Shall I arrange that here, sir? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your banana split, sir, with banana and ice cream, sir. Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Have you finished your dessert, sir? Shall I clear out this plate, sir? Excuse me for a moment, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill, sir. Excuse me for a moment, sir. Thank you very much, sir. By the way, sir, there's your change in your receipt. Thank you very much, sir, for dining with us, sir. I hope you have a good experience and please come again, sir. Sir, by the way, sir, please come, sir.